Well, hello. This is Gmodism Total Nerdery channel. And we are here in a regular cyberpunk city. And what are we going to do? We're going to run through the subway before it takes off. Because we're going to this side of the city. Oh yes. We are going to have fun with our computers. So hang on with me. We're going to look at some really advanced computer systems. Yes. Of course, I'm talking about Gmod 13. Which is cool. Let's see here. This is our apartment of choice. Let's shut the door there. Alright. I think this area is meant for sleeping, but not for us. We're going to set up our computer systems right here. Perfect. Gmod 13 comes with its own menu. So, we can spawn a laptop if we'd like to. We can click toggle power. But we are not that fancy. We're going to have an old computer. The aesthetic of a yellowish computer tower. And there we're gonna have it. No. A little monitor. Don't get distracted of the music. It's a nice echo chamber. Anyways, that's the name. And we have our monitor, and of course we need speakers. We're gonna have 2 of them. We'll put them on the ground here. Okay, it's dark in here. We barely can see it. Interesting. Like that. Put up our PC setup here. And of course, we need a modern printer over there. Alright. Coming up, we need, I don't know what this I/O switch is. I think maybe we can use this for some fun stuff, but let's deal with that later. Now, a splitter. Cable tie. I'm not sure we need that. I think we need a splitter. You can have it there. Whoops. Oh no. Oh well, let's just have it under it all. And a cable tie. Not really sure. We'll see if we can use it later on. If we need it. Stuff looks too messy. And then we have the most important stuff. But we have some... we have the networking part. A backbone router. I'm not totally sure. I'm not an expert on networking. But let's why not have a server there? I'm not sure we need another computer to interact to the server. Yeah, let's see if the server has some kind of user interface. Oops. Oh. I'm just gonna put a little monitor there. Oh well, we'll use flashlights, I guess. Alright, oh well then, I give up. This light doesn't want to shine on this. Which is interesting. This is a very cool map. Cauldron, it's called, or something like that. Okay, we'll just put it here. Put him here. Alright, you don't need electricity. Just turn down the width of the cable a little bit. But we're gonna... Oh yeah, we can connect up to the server, which is cool. I'm not sure what this connects to. Fiber optic. Alright, that makes sense. Okay, it doesn't have fiber optics. PS2 connection. We can network? No. Well, anyways, we just go in here. Welcome to server OS. This is the first time you turn the server on. You may have some options next on the screen. Alright, next. We'll set the password. Oh no. Alright, that's fine. Great. Interesting. On this server we can perhaps load programs, but we'll leave the server on. I'm not sure we need to use this, but we can see if our network, okay, we can't connect it to the background router. Alright, I think we connected a PC to the server. That's cool. Now we have connected a PC to the server. Great. Now we're going to connect the splitter mini jack port to the computer's mini jack port and phone connection. What? Right, here. Now we have connected phone connection. Great. I think it's connected up. But actually, problem is I need to keep track on which one goes to which one. Phone connection 1 goes to 2. Phone connection 1 goes to... Okay, they got... I don't know, 4. Now we have something. Alright, we need to remember where we click. Okay, VGA. Come on. VGA connects up to this one. Great. PS2 connection connects up to this one. Great. Some nice system. Oh, USB. That's too fancy for me. Oh well, guess we gotta use it. Alright, that one. 1-0 switch. Yes. So we click E on the computer to turn it on. And here we have. We're in the OS. PC Mod 2. Right, welcome to the operating system. We're gonna set this mode. and it writes in numbers when you click on like A. If you want to use this password or quick type, you can use letters, but this is fine with me. Alright. This is interesting. Now it seems. System refreshed. Right. The computer is now connected to the server, and it seems that I'm not sure we can access the computer. Alright, we need to turn the computer on first. It seems that now our computer is a slave of the server, so we're gonna turn it off, and we're going to unwire it to the network, and then turn it on. Alright, operative system is getting launched. Alright. We don't have any programs installed yet. So we're gonna install or start up this. Which, oh no! I know. We accidentally made a little mistake here. Alright, I'm just gonna... You can see here, when we click computer, we can select personal or server. We're going to keep this updated. Alright. Yeah, okay, sure. We messed up. That makes sense. I'm gonna remove that. We couldn't update it. We're gonna spawn a new fresh computer, which is personal, that's important. Right. Right, network, this one, USB to the printer, come on, USB, to the printer. And the mini jack to the mini jack, PS2 to the PS2. Did I connect it up? I think stuff is connected now. You can turn on the computer. Alright. I'm not sure we connected this up. Nice. Personal OS, perfect. There we go. And we can now log in. There we go. Now we have our familiar computer. So all programs, we can open up Notepad, click on Quick Type here, and it says fantastic. Enter. It didn't work. Okay, quick type. Can I quick type? Enter. Okay, now it works. Right. We're gonna write something here. Fantastic, like that. Enter. And then we're going to save it as untitled exe. File saved. Good. Now we can print it. Print to local. Right. Oh my god. And it's already... We already got the document. Printed the document. And we can put this up on the wall because it's so interesting. Just have it here. And it says something interesting. Isn't that fantastic? Well, we don't have much more programs, so we're gonna fix that. Going to PC mod. Going to sweeps, and we have hard disk copier, install disk, network tester, and password cracker. We want an install disk. We might as well go to the server here. Click, we got it. We have the install disk. And it seems, oops, chat host. We can't install it. Okay, that's interesting. It's supposed to be for server, but never mind. Or we can install things like well, we have chat servers. We can, with the server, set up chatting systems. That's crazy. But we want the personal player. Oh, we need, of course, to install it on the computer, not the screen. Of course, we need a firewall. We don't need a firewall. An I/O controller and an alarm system. Great. We have all the fancy software you might want. Everything. So what we can do is we can go in here. Oh no, I turned off the computer. That's a mistake. I don't think we'll be needing the server very much. Also, you can, by dragging things too far away, now it wasn't connected, but if it was, we could break the connection. Here we have. So, on a firewall we can block stuff. We don't got any inputs though. Anyways, here on the alarm we can have an alarm. There is also apparently cameras, which is interesting because I'm not entirely sure where these cameras are to be found. There is no PC mod stuff, so you know, there is no stuff here. So maybe it's an RT camera. Maybe. So if we go to normal wire tool, maybe. Oh yeah, that's how to do it. So now we can basically have a webcam. It's not a very good camera, to be admitted, but it is a camera. Okay, now we have a webcam. We can see ourselves here. Barely. And we can sound an alarm. Anyways. I think... Oops. Anyway, I think, I'm not entirely sure, but I think that we can have several of these devices. For example, if we had another one here, we could connect this to another USB port. Ooh, that's all our USB ports. And oops. Alright. Shut down all programs. Rawr, it's not working anyways. Disable camera, enable camera. Maybe it's not working. This is alarms app. But if we go to like oh, this is, oh right. Yeah, I thought it would look a little bit weird. It's slightly off, so this is the port we can like unlock or lock. It's a little bit off here. So we can have this output. I'm just worried. Did I mess up something or no? So we can set this. Might need to refresh inputs. But if we set this to, we need to go down here. 1. Set. Can't close this down. We can't close the alarm down. Never mind. This is pretty interesting. Because... oh, right. Probably I misunderstood something here. This one is probably not needed because we connected active, like this camera can probably be wireless, completely wireless. So if I just have that there, connect active to this one, we turn it on, and if I go here and enable camera, it's still working. Yeah, right, good. Then stuff makes sense at least. I'm gonna have this camera with me outside. Damn it. Oh. There we go. Maybe I can see more if it's kind of aimed towards this. Ah, the great, interesting, nice document. Well, I'd say it kind of works. Okay, alright. The little offset of the arrow and stuff confuses me. So, let's refresh the inputs. Alright, let's just disable this. And see if we can close this program. Except we can't. If I open it again then. I apparently not. Never mind. I wanted to show you personal player as well. And here you can actually put sound files in the appropriate place. I guess there is a custom folder somewhere close to this mod if you want custom music. But if you just pause the music, we can play music from Half-Life 2. Only if we have speakers, of course. But it's very nice. Well, oh yeah, what I wanted to set up was we want to have, just to be able to test, we're gonna have a lamp, a red light. Oh no. Oh no. The printer is getting sad. Our important document, very important document, might also become sad. Let's remove that. No. Right, there we go. Whoa. Why is it? Alright, that sucks. Well, I guess we can work with a computer like this as well. I think maybe some important stuff got disconnected. Oh well. I'm not putting everything back now. Oh well. So, we turn on to this one, right? So it's on input 1 for this one, right? So if we go here, and we go to this one, input 1, and we set it as, alright, let me edit it. We put in a 1 there and set, yeah. There's where we have it. Then, here we see, the red light turned on. And naturally, even if this is fun and stuff, the most funny part with this is, of course, that you can set up other things with this. Yes. I think I showed you enough of this mod, so I will show you this last little cool trick. Also, you can set any value, which is fun, but we're of course going to place a smaller nuclear briefcase here. We're gonna arm it. And we're gonna connect detonate to number 2. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I hope I will be seeing you in future videos. So yeah, in any event, it's sad there is no timer for this. In any event, I hope you liked it, and see you next time. This is Gmodism, do it on the channel. Signing out. Oh no, I'm actually stuck. I forget them. Great, see you next time. Gmodism, signing out for real. We'll be right back.